Assalamu alaikum everybody, my dear students. Now we start next question on this topic, petty cash book. Petty cash book. Now in question, following are the petty cash. Following are the petty expenses of a business concerned for the month of January 2015. Each month starts with an opening cash balance of rupees 2,100. Please note this point. Okay, each month starts with an opening cash balance of rupees 2,100. Enter the following transaction in an analytical petty cash book and balance it. Okay, note this question. 1/1/2015 wages paid to peon rupees 450. On 3 coolie wages rupees 180. On 5/1/2015 stationery rupees 75. On 6/1/2015 railway freight rupees 30. Next on 7 postage stamps rupees 150. On 8/1/2015 ink rupees 30. On 10/1/2015 telephone rupees 30. On 18/1/2015 unpaid letters rupees 12. On 25 so rupees 18. On 26/1/2015 sweepers wages rupees 90. On 27/1/2015 sundry expenses rupees 300. On 28/1/2015 convenience to RAM rupees 45. On 30/1/2015 printing of price list rupees 270. Price list rupees 270. Okay, now that is your question. Now we solve this problem. First we write heading petty cash book. Okay, first column amount received column. Next one is date column. Next one particular column. And fourth one is the voucher number column. Next one total amount, total payment column. Next one is the postage and telegrams. Next one is the printing and stationery. Next one convenience. Next one wages, and last one is sundries. Okay, in all columns we put rupees column, rupees. Okay, so first we is opening cash balance. How much? Rupees 2,100. First we write here rupees 2,100 on 1/1/2015. I think 1/1/2015. Yes, 1/1/2015. Okay. So name is to balance breakdown. To balance breakdown for opening cash balance amount. Next, on 1/1/2015 same date, wages paid to peon. Wages paid to peon. So by 1/1/15 by peon account. Peon account. Sorry. Peon account. PEON. Peon account. How much rupees? 450. First you write in payment column. Next we write in wages column, rupees 450. Okay, because wages is paid. Next one, on 3/1/2015 by coolie wages account, coolie wages on 3/1/15 by wages account, by coolie wages account. Rupees how much? Rupees 180. Rupees 180. That's also commander. Wages account 180. Next one, stationery on 5. Stationery on 5/1/2015. Date 5/1/15 by stationery account. How much? Stationery how much? Rupees 75. Rupees 75. Come under printing and stationery. Rupees 75. Next, on 6/1/2015, railway freight. 6/1/15 by railway freight account. Railway freight account. Rupees 30. Rupees 30. Last class we told about bus fare, auto fare, taxi fare, rickshaw fare and railway fare come under the head of convenience. Under the head of convenience, rupees 30. Rupees 30. Okay. Next one, on 7/1/2015, postage stamps. On 7/1/15 by postage account. How much? Rupees 150. Rupees 150. Come under postage and that's all is postage and telegraph account. 150. Next, on 8/1/2015, ink rupees 30. On 8/1/15 by ink account. Ink account. Rupees how much? Ink account rupees 30. Rupees 30. Come under ink. Come under the printing and stationery amount entries. Rupees 30. Next, on 10, telephone charges. 10/1/15 by telephone account. Telephone account. How much? Rupees 30. postage and telegram commander, postage telegram rupees 30. Okay, next on 18 unpaid letters on date 18 150 by unpaid letters account, unpaid letter accounts, how much? 12 rupees 12. Come under the postage and telegrams. I think postage and telegrams, how much? Rupees 12. Next on 25 by soap 25 150 by soap account rupees how much? 18. So come under salaries because we use in office expenses or home expenses. So come under salaries rupees 18. Okay, soap naga அந்த ஆபீஸ் கிளீனிங் ஏதாவது சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. லாஸ்ட்டாக நான் பார்த்துருப்பாங்க ஆஃபீஸ் கிளீனிங் ரெஃப்ரெஷ்மெண்ட்டு அதெல்லாம் செய்யணும்னா அந்த என்ட்ரி சண்டேஸில் போகும் உங்களுக்கு. ஸோ இது சோப் இது ஆஃபீஸில் ஏதாவது யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அதனால் சண்டேஸ் தான் போயிருக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆர் 26 by super wages are 26 150 by super wages account how much? Rupees 90. Come under wages account 90. Next on 27 sundry expenses rupees 300 on 27. Sundry expense account rupees 300. Calculating sundry expense account. Next are 28 by convenience rupees 45. By convenience account rupees how much? 45. Then convenience account 45. Next 30 printing of price list and 30 150 by printing account how much? It is 270. Come on the printing and stationery it is 270. Okay, so here itself we put all the entries in the petty cash book. Now we close the accounts. First we close this one. How much? 2,100. 2,100. Same. Here also it is close. 2,100. இப்போ 2,100 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதெல்லாம் நீங்க போடணும். இதெல்லாம் நீங்க போடணும். பண்ணாக்கா பேர் ஒரு பாருங்க 1680 வரும். 1680 வரும். இதெல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் போடணும். 1680 இதெல்லாம் போடணும். இப்போ 2100 1680 వచ్చిందా 2100 1160 1680 వచ్చిందా 420 వరకు 420 ఓకే 420 2100 minus 1680 420 that is called 21 150 by balance carry down 420 okay same things here same things we write here also okay if you need anything 1680 minus பண்ணாதே இந்த பிட்வீல்ல போறோம் நீங்க இது நான் இங்க இருக்கேன் பட் நீங்க இது பிட்வீல்ல இருக்கு பிட்வீல் 2100 and 1600 பிட்வீல் இந்த அமௌண்ட் நீங்க இருக்கு 420 நீங்க தான் இங்க நீங்க இருக்கு ப்ளீஸ் ஓகே சோ மை க்ளோஸ் திஸ் ஒன் 150 plus 30 and 8192 192 okay next one here 270 plus 30 start 300 plus 75 375 next one 30 plus 45 75 450 plus 180 plus 90 okay 550 plus 630 700 450 plus 550 okay so 720 okay last one is 318 so this one is the complete problem of this unit of this topic. So I complete this question. Now I request all the students please understand. I think you are understanding in very clear manner. Okay. So I give an assignment question on tomorrow. Okay. This assignment question tomorrow உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸ் இல்லை பட் அந்த கிளாஸ் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் உங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுனாக்கா ஒரு கொஷன் கொடுக்குறேன் உங்களுக்கு லிங்க் வரும் அந்த லிங்க்ல கொஷின் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக வரும் ரெடி கேஷ் அப்போ வந்து ஒரு கொஷின் வரும் அந்த கொஷின் நீங்கள் பார்த்து அந்த கொஷனுக்கு நீங்கள் ஆன்சர் சால்வ் பண்ணி அசைன்மெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க ஓகே தேங்க்யூ